Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Believe me, this costume cost only 95 pesos. Yes, only 95 pesos. I'll keep on watching. Trace and cut the fabric. I just used a sleeveless with a pattern. Fold the fabric 3 times and sew. Using a red fabric, cut in a triangular shape and then wrap it in a hat. For the pirate sword and hat, please click the description box below for the link. Oh yes, it's done. My friend saved so much money from this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video tutorials. Please don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. See ya!